While on a road trip with his family, Tristan records the price of a gallon of gasoline they buy each day. The change in price each day is shown in the table below. So this is not the price of gas per gallon. It doesn't make sense if you have 7. I mean, that would be wonderful, but it doesn't make sense. This is just how much it changes every day. So on Monday, it went up 7 cents. On Tuesday, negative, it went down 12 cents. On Wednesday, it went down 3 cents. On Thursday, it went up 6 cents. Which statement about the average change in price for a gallon of gasoline is true? Now let's look at our 4 options and see what they want us to do. The average change in price is negative because the largest amount of change is negative 12 cents, and that affects the average the most. Well, that's actually not true. Just because the largest value is a negative value doesn't mean it's going to stay negative. If I have negative 12 cents and then a bunch of positive 5 cents, it's going to become positive. That has nothing to do with it. So let's just cross that out right away. The average change in price is positive because the total change is positive, and a positive total change in price divided by 4 days is positive. So let's find out what the total price change is and see if this is a true statement. So let's do this. I have 2 positives and 2 negatives. Let's add the positives first, get those out of the way. Positive 7 cents plus 6 cents is going to be positive 13 cents. So let's write that out. Negative 12 cents and negative 3 cents. Now, when I add 2 negatives together, you add those values. So 12 cents and 13 cents make 15 cents. But since they're both negative, keep it negative. Now, looking at these 2 values, I have a positive 13 cents and a negative 15 cents. When you add a positive and a negative, in your mind, you're thinking subtraction. 15 minus 13 is 2, so this becomes 2 cents. However, since the negative value is larger, this remains negative. So my total change in price is actually negative, which makes B false. So C, the average change in price is negative because the total change is negative, and a negative total change in price divided by 4 days is negative. So remember, when you're trying to find the average, which is not what we're trying to do, we don't need to divide this by 4 and see what we get. What we're trying to do is find out if it's positive or negative. And this is a true statement because a negative divided by positive 4 is negative. Now let's see why D would be wrong. The average change in price is positive. Well, there you have it right away. I don't need to read any further because I know that that's not even true. So none of that. The answer is C. Crazy problem.